Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. This is just a video that I put on TikTok. In case you're not following me there, please do so. All of my social media information is down in the description box below. This video will be coming soon to my channel. Well, only the picadillo, which is ground beef. That video should be coming soon, so I want you to be on the lookout for it. For now, I want you guys to take care. God bless you all. Please share my videos on social media. I am trying to reach 25K by the ending of this year. So help me make it possible. Thank you for watching and many blessings to all of you guys. Bye.